Hello guys, welcome back. This is a quick video on setting up dual monitors and multitasking. For that, connect the monitor and the laptop or the PC you are using with the HDMI cable. After that, press Windows plus P key. A pop-up appears on the screen. The options include PC screen only, duplicate, extend, second screen only. Let's start with PC screen only. In this, only the PC screen is active. The next option is duplicate. With this option, the PC screen and the second screen are active with the same visuals on both the device. The third option is extend. With this option, we can extend the display and do multitasking. The last option is second screen only. With this option, only the second screen is active and the main screen will stay idle. Hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.